What is the most valuable thing that you own? Think about it. And think about what if I, as a teenager, could have more of it than you. Because one of the most valuable resources in the world is data. And that's what I'm talking to you about today. And yes, I know it's a very broad subject, but think about it. When you're scrolling through the internet where you just need to find your favourite cake recipe or some other thing, maybe it's the news, and you just go onto this new website and you get a little box that says, do you accept this tracking? And you click yes because you want to see it. You're distracted and quite frankly, you don't really think about it. But every time you click that OK button, you're allowing a company to take more and more of your personal data. And that's not good for anybody. Because, well, it's true, companies can use it for legitimate purposes. They can tailor advertising which is more useful for you personally, and they can also provide more relevant services to you. But if that company changes management and their policy changes, who says you're going to agree with the new policy? But they'll still have your data. And no company is infallible and could be target to attack. And a lot of these attacks can wreak so much havoc on people's lives. The data can be completely revealed, and it's not good. It's not good for you. It's not good for anyone. So what can you do to stop this? Because it sounds so scary. It sounds like such a big thing. But it's really quite simple. Every time you search on the internet, you use what's called a search engine. And I don't know about you, but I probably use Google most of the time because it's a default. But why do you? Because it's the most convenient. Just like pressing that accept button, every time you do that, you are allowing a company to take more of your data. And it's the same with browsers like Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. There are other browsers which are better for your privacy and can protect your rights better. So, with all of that in mind, I encourage you, after today's speeches, to go out and speak to your friends, to speak to your families about all of these important topics, but especially about privacy. Because once your data's out there, it's out there for real, and it's out there forever. So, let's stop all of these creepy companies tracking us, and let's make privacy a thing of the present.